Office yoga helps us to relieve the shoulders and neck tension. First, bring your left arm on top and your right arm underneath. With both palms facing outwards, cross them and interlock all 10 fingers. Inhale and reach up. Bring your hands above your head. As you inhale, look up, your fingertips reaching for the sky. As you exhale, lower your head. Keep pushing your arms upwards. Inhale and look up. Exhale and lower the head. One more time. Inhale, look up, hands toward the sky. Exhale, lower your head. Hands reaching for the sky. Good. Head back to center. The second exercise is to rotate our pelvis. First, rotate clockwise. Let your fingertips draw circles in the sky. Imagine that as your pelvis rotates, your hands in the sky are like holding a pen. And this pen is drawing on the sky. Start rotating. It's the pelvis that moves the chest and the hands. Rotate. Okay, reverse direction. Let the pelvis guide the entire body, flowing upwards. Okay, now hold it here. Keep your pelvis still. Let your chest push your arms to draw circles. Don't look down. Look straight ahead. It feels a bit like dancing. It will open up your side ribs. Send your arms up and let your chest guide them. Okay, reverse direction. Let the chest guide the arms. Guiding the arms up. Yes. Let your entire chest and upper body gently rotate. Guiding the arms. One more time. Okay? Slowly unclasp your hands, relax and lower them. Now let's do the other side. Bring your right hand with the palm facing outwards and your left hand underneath with the palm facing outwards and interlock them. Inhale and reach up. Bring your arms to the sides of your ears, above the top of your head. Thumbs turn forward. As you inhale, lift your head. Exhale, lower your head. Inhale, lift your head. Exhale, lower your head. One more time. Inhale and lift your head. Exhale, lower your head and also send your hands up to the sky. Inhale, bring your head back to center, okay? Let your pelvis rotate, making circles on the chair. A clockwise rotation. Don't lower your head. Draw circles in the sky with your hands. It's normal for your arms to feel a bit sore. Okay, reverse direction. The pelvis pushes the chest, pushing your arms upward. One more time. Okay, keep your pelvis still. Rotate your chest. Keep your pelvis stable. Reverse direction. Stretch the ribs on your sides. 3, 2, 1. Okay, slowly lower your arms. Once they are down, feel your shoulders. Do they feel like they have upward support? Have they loosened up? Practice this every day to help relieve the tension in your entire back, chest, shoulders, and neck.